नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां गोवा एट 9 ह्या कार्यावळीन जे दिसा पासून आमी कार्यावळ सुरू केल्ली आसा ते दिसा पासून एक मुद्दो परत परत येता तो म्हणजे पीडीए विशीं. नॉर्थ गोवा पीडीएचे बायफर्केशन जातलें, ताळगांवां खातीर आनी बांबोळे खातीर सेपरेट करतले आनी दुसरी पीडीए सेपरेट दवरतले. हाका लागून बोवाळ चलिल्लो. शिवसेनान प्रोटेस्ट केलो, आम आदमी पार्टीन प्रोटेस्ट केलो. लोकूय खूब जाण म्हणटा घडये गरज आसा काय ना हाची तांणी चांचणी करून पळोवची. अशा वेळार एक मनीस जो परत परत बातम्यां मदीं आसा आनी जाचे कडेन सगळ्यांचें लक्ष लागून आसा ते म्हणजे मायकल लोबो. फुडें कांय न उलयता आय एम इंट्रोड्युसींग यू टू मायकल लोबो. ते आमच्या वांगडा आसा सद्या स्टुडियोन. चड वेळ घेना कारण मेन म्हणटा ते तुमी आतां रागार आसा काय तुमी नॉर्मल आसा, म्हणजे तुमी एक दोन स्टेटमेंट केले आनी थंड जाले म्हणून.
रागार जावपाचो प्रश्नच येना. आमी गोंयचे जनतेन निवडून हाडल्या, कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांक, कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांक निवडून हाडल्या. तेंची कामां करपाक आहा आमी. हे सगळे पोस्ट टेम्पररी एंड वेन यू वीन एन इलेक्शन एंड इफ यू आर इन द गव्हर्मेंट यू गेट पोस्ट. आतां काँग्रेसाचे कितके जाण 18 सीट येवन ते ऑपोजिशनान आहा. 17+1 येयल्लो तेंचो NCP ऑपोजिशनान आहा. सो तेंचे कडेन कांय पोस्ट ना. आयज आमकां पोस्ट मेळला कितें बरें काम करपाक, आमी करपाक जाय. आनी बेश्टे टॉल स्टेटमेंट्स करून कितें उलोवन अनवॉन्टेड टॉक दिवन लोकांचें काम जायना. लोक पळयता गोंयचे लोक की आमी सरकार निवडून हाडला, आमकां कामां दिसपाक जाय, आमकां कामां जाल्लीं जाय. तेंची कामां कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे आसूं, डेव्हलपमेंटाचे आसूं, पर्सनल आसूं, काय गोंयचे लोकांची कामां आसूं, ओवरऑल गोवा ती कामां कर म्हणटा ते लोक.
तुमी गार्डेड रिएक्शन दिता. हातून मायकल लोबो कलंगूट MLA इज फायन, पूण आतां उलयता आसतना तुमी खूबच गार्डेड रिएक्शन दिता. म्हणून आमकां कळटा की बिकॉज एट द बॅकड्रॉप की जनसंपर्क अभियान जेन्ना जाल्लें आनी तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाल्लें तेन्ना CMान म्हणजे तेन्ना ते डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले सांगिल्लें की सरकार घडलें जाल्यार तुमचो मंत्री आसतलो.
सरकार घडलें जाल्यार आमी मंत्री आसतले. 13 सरकार घडयला, 13 नंबर 13. आनी MG कडेन आमी ऑपोजीट गेल्ले, ते आमचे कडेन येयले लागीं, गोवा फॉवर्ड येयले. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्रीज वेंट आवट. हांव आनी एकदां तेच म्हणटा की सरकार घडलो, आमी जो तर मिनिस्टर जावंक ना, पूण गोंयच्या लोकांची कामां करप हें म्हाजें मनान आसा आनी हो आवडीचो म्हाजो सब्जेक्ट. आय वर्क ऑन डेली बेसीस, नॉट ओन्ली फॉर माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, फॉर गोवा. आय एम चेअरमॅन ऑफ PDA. काम चालू आहा आमचें. म्हापशान लोकांक हांव हेल्प करता, पणजेच्या लोकांक हेल्प करता. कोण PDAन येता, कोण म्हाका मेळोंक येता, कसलेय कामाक खंयचेय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक येवन हांव हेल्प करता.
पण आतां PDAन बसून तुमी ताळगांव आनी बांबोळेच्या लोकांक हेल्प करपाक शकपाना.
तशें कांय ना. लोक येतले. तालिगांव बायफर्केट बसून जाली जाल्यार म्हाजे कडेन कितें काम आहा जाल्यार लोक येतले. तेंचोय MLA आहा, काँग्रेसान तेंची MLA आहा, तेजे कडेन वयता ते. म्हणजे एज अ PDA रिलेटेड मॅटर जे आहा तेच उतर आमचे बायफर्केट केले जाल्यार दुसरे कडेन दुसरो चेअरमॅन आसतलो. पूण आजुनी जावंक ना. जावच्या पयलीं उलोवप हे चुकीची गजाल. आमी पॉलिटिक्सान इतले शिकल्या की गेल्या फावटी आमी खूब बोब मारली. गेली 5 वर्सां आमी खूब उलयले, खूब विशय जे जितके हे आसले इश्यूज आसले आमी घेतले आनी केन्ना इश्यू जावच्या पयलीं आमी उलयले. आय हॅव लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो नाव आय हॅव डिसायडेड टू वेट.
Now you are more matured, Michael Lobo.
Not matured, you can say. We have learned. So आमी मोरोसोर शिकता अशें एक म्हणणें आहा. खंयचोच कितलोय हुशार मनीस, जावं तो प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसूं वा जावं तो सायंटिस्ट आसूं, टील हीज डेथ ही इज लर्निंग. एंड दीस इज वॉट आय एम डुईंग. आय एम लर्निंग. आय एम व्हेरी स्मॉल एज फार एज पॉलिटिक्स इज
धक्के खाल्ल्याचे दिसता तुमकां आनी अजून खायत आसा.
स्मॉल. वी आर व्हेरी स्मॉल पीपल इन पॉलिटिक्स. आमी मोर ओवर सोशल वर्क जाणा, पॉलिटिक्स नको. सो पॉलिटिक्स आतां पॉलिटिशियना कडसून शिकता हांव.
आतां शिकपाक सुरू जालें.
आतां पॉलिटिक्स म्हणजे कितें तें आमचे सिनियर जे आहा वो आमचे वांगडचे जे जिखून येयल्ले आसले तेंचे कडसून आमी पॉलिटिक्स शिकता. पॉलिटिक्स कशें करपाक जाय, पावरान कशें रावपाक जाय आनी पावरान आसतना कशें पॉलिटिक्स यूज करून दुसऱ्याक सायडीक काडपाक जाय, कितें करपाक जाय, म्हणजे हाव टू डील विथ पॉलिटिक्स आय एम लर्निंग.
तुमकां नवीन टिचर जॉईन जाले ह्या फावटी.
Yeah, let us learn from new people also, from old people also, but it is always good to learn. And when you learn, you get a lot of experience. And when you धपके हाल्ल्या शिवाय खंय मनीस फुडें वचना. सो आमी आतां सद्याक धपके खाता, आमी एक्सेप्टेड आहा, नो प्रॉब्लम. I am ready to take it. I don't know what is there in store for me in the near future. So I am learning. I will learn till the end. Till whatever is there in store I will get.
यू मेड अ स्टेटमेंट की जर पर्रीकरांक म्हाका कांय दिवपाचें ना जाल्यार आपलें कांय टेन्शन ना.
हय, आजुनूय सेम स्टेटमेंट आहा म्हजो की CM knows what to do for us. आमी पार्टीचे मनीस आहा. BJP पार्टी लेड कोलिशन गव्हर्मेंट आहा हिंगा. आमची पार्टी is on the higher level, means आमचे 14 MLAs आहा. So at the same time we respect all the coalition partners, but whatever our CM will give us is accepted. आनी तेणे आमकां दिला, आमकां डेप्युटी स्पीकर दिला म्हाका इन स्पायट ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स दॅट मिनिस्ट्री मेळोंक ना, I was expecting, but I'm happy with what I've got today.
Deputy Speaker is more of a decorative post than actually.
See, to make use of that post, you should know how to make use of that post. Use means for good cause. It is a status of a cabinet rank, same like a minister. Only what we are not having is a department inside.
Otherwise, you are a minister rank.
It is a rank of a minister.
Okay, a question. Do you think Parrikar has taken this decision or is thinking to take this decision of bifurcating NGPD into two out of political compulsions?
It could be political compulsions. There is no hiding in that. It is still not taken. That is why I am telling you that this should have been after the bifurcation.
We'll meet again. We are meeting every day, so you have
So
to be ready.
I will be in a better position to comment on this.
But do you think it is going to be bifurcated?
There are talks going out that it is likely that it will be bifurcated. NGPDसून एक भाग तालिगांव जो आहा, एक तालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जी आहा ती बायफर्केट जाता अशें उलोवप चल्लां आनी तितून आनी कितें एड जाता. आमची एरिया न्हू, टावन प्लॅनिंग एरिया एड जाता, लायक बांबोली जाय आनी कितें अशें उलोवप चल्लां.
पूण
100% कितें पळय तें म्हाकाय खबर ना आनी हांवें इंट्रस्टूय दाखोवंक ना की हेचेर खोलायेन वचून विचारप.
करप हें सारकें काय चुकीचें अशें दिसता तुमकां?
तें मोर एक्सपिरियन्स लीडर लायक मनोहर पर्रीकर हू rose to be the defense minister of this country is taking a call on this. So he is very much experienced than me. I have learned under him. काय गजाली तेजे कडसून शिकला हांव आनी शिकोन परफेक्ट जाला आनी तोरी शिकता. सो तेणे जो तो डिसिजन घेतला जाल्यार ते सारकेंच आसतलें.
6 years you are NGPDA chairman, right?
Yes.
So you must be knowing it better.
No, for me it does not matter. If Manohar Parrikar has taken this decision for a good cause of the party, पार्टीचो कॉज एक आसता जे आमी पार्टीचे मनीस आनी फॉर स्मूथ फंक्शनींग ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट बायफर्केशन करून हो गव्हर्मेंट स्मूथली चलतलो जाल्यार एकदम बरी गजाल. आय हॅव नथींग टू लूज.
Sacrifice.
See, if one of my area is being taken and some area is added, because before these talks there was talks on the newspapers about Arpara Nagwa Parra, which I have asked. I am not denying. I have asked this area because I want to plan these areas properly, because they are growing into a tourism hub that's very close to Kalangut, Kandalimbaga, Anjuna. That's the centrally located places. So a lot of guest houses are coming up. 5-star hotels have come up in Arpara Nagwa. Parra hotels have started coming. We have to plan this area. What should come and what should not come. Haphazard development should not happen in any village.
Coastal PDS चे बद्दल तुम्ही उलयले. You think that
गरज ना. जी एरिया हायली डेव्हलप झाल्या ती आमची कलंगूट आणि कांदोलीम. तिथून PDAची गरज जायच असली. तिथून आता मी PDA ड्राफ्ट ODP जो केला, मी लँड यूज मॅप केला ड्राफ्ट ODP, तिथून सगळे आम्ही प्रोव्हिजन करून दवरला. राईट फ्रॉम डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट टू सेवरेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स फॉर कांदोलीम अँड कलंगूट सेपरेटली. 5 ग्राउंड दोन्ही वाटेन एक मिनी स्टेडियम, कलंगूट आणि कांदोलीम एक मिनी स्टेडियम, plus 5 grounds for Kalangut, 5 grounds for Kandolim, different types of ground, whether it is cricket, whether it is football, means different types of activities, auditorium, हे दोन्ही एरिया एक recreational center, all these things are required. Children's park असो तिथून recreational, elderly people park असो, badminton court असो, बाकीचे सगळे असतले. So all these things is required म्हणून आम्ही हो प्लॅनिंग केला. त्या खातीर ही एरिया प्लॅन जावची म्हणून ही PDAन हाडलेली, आनी कांय ना. हॅज डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्ले थिंगा, कांय गजाली आमी जाग्यार हाडल्या आतां
जावचें ना अशें दिसता.
वी हॅव टेकन अप लॉट ऑफ डिमॉलिशन्स ऑल्सो. आमी वायटपणूय घेतल्या लोकांचे. मेन रोड डिकंजेस्ट करपा खातीर, जे कंजेस्टेड आसले ते डिकंजेस्ट करपा खातीर आमी कितली डिमॉलिशनां केली, कंपाऊंड वाला मोडली, कितली वस्तू मोडून फाटी येयल्यो. लोकांक सांगलें फाटी बांद. सो लेट दीस एरिया हॅव अ गूड लूक. This area should look nice, should look grand.
मारगांव ODP तांणी सांगिल्लें की they rework, I think, and they will Penjim, you want it should to be done?
No, Penjim ODP has been finalized, though there is a case pending in High Court filed by CCP.
Okay.
And I don't think it requires any working. But that again depends on the government. Manohar Parrikar is the MLA of Penjim. He needs to take a call on that.
Okay, back to politics. एक फेविकॉल टायप तुम्ही हे केला आणि जोड लायलो बिटवीन BJP, गोवा फॉरवर्ड. अँड आय रिमेंबर यू सेईंग वेन यू वॉकड आउट ऑफ काउंटिंग सेंटर की आम्ही पयलींच वी वर इन टॉक्स विथ विजय सरदेसाई टू फॉर्म दी गव्हर्मेंट. सो डू यू रिपेंट नाव फॉर हॅव्हिंग दॅट फेविकॉल?
No. See, in the larger interest of Goa state, we do not repent. Vijay Sardesai has joined this coalition government. गोवा फॉरवर्डान तेणें आमकां सपोर्ट केला इतल्याकूच लागून की गोंयान डेव्हलपमेंट येवचें म्हणून. म्हणजे डेव्हलपमेंटाचे जे एक ल्हार गोंयान हाडलेलें BJPन फ्रॉम सेंटर, वेदर यू लूक एट ऑल द नॅशनल हायवेज गेटिंग वायडन्ड, 6 laning, you look at Zuari Bridge, you look at Mopa Airport foundation stone being laid, you look at these national games which are going to happen next year. For all this, whatever funds are required, you look at the state roads getting better. ही सगळी कामां जी आयज चालू आहा, whether it is JICA project in South Goa for water treatment plants or sewerage treatment plants in North Goa also in Kalangut, Mapsa. You look at all these works which are going on, पेंजीमचो ब्रिज, हे सगळी कामां फुडें वयची आनी गोंयकारांक सेंटराचे पयशे येवचे आनी बरें जावचें म्हणून विजय सरदेसायन आमकां सपोर्ट केला.
पूण एक आसा तुमी नोट करुना, तुमी जेन्ना भायर सरले काउंटिंग सेंटरांतल्यान तुमी म्हटलें की आपूण ऑलरेडी तांच्या वांगडा उलयल्लो, मिन्स यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग लेसर सीट्स.
No, we are friends. I and Vijay, we are always friends, and we were always discussing. So we knew that we are going to be short. I knew. Some people did not know about from our party. But even जेन्ना आमी तेजे कडेन उलयताले की फॉर गोवा एंड गोवन्स यू सपोर्ट दीस गव्हर्मेंट इफ वी आर शॉर्ट. एंड द रिजन हांवें आतां सांगलां तुका, हें सगळें जें डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय, सेंटराक BJP आहा, गोंयान BJP गव्हर्मेंट कोलिशन गव्हर्मेंट जालो जाल्यार हे पयशे स्मूथली येतले, विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन येतले. वी मूव अ प्रपोजल एंड द मनी वील कम. नाव कलांगूट कांदोली बागा आमी इमिडिएटली 25 crores हाडल्या सेंटराचे फ्रॉम ट्युरिजम फंड टू स्पेंड. हे आमकां जो आमचो चेअरमॅन आहा निलेश काब्राल, जावं आदलो आमचो ट्युरिजम डायरेक्टर, ते सगळे वचून तेंच्यांनी प्रपोजल मांडून हे हाडलेले. आमी सांगलेले हे प्रपोजल जाय म्हणून आमकां. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ बीच फ्रंट, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ बागा, कांदोलीम पार्किंग लॉट, चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क, आणि फॅसिलिटीज फॉर टू व्हिलर 4 व्हिलर पार्किंग आनी खूब वस्तू फुटपाथ्स ब्युटिफिकेशन लायटींग हे सगळे वस्तू जाय तेज्या खातीर पयशे जाय आनी पयशे जो तर गोंयान आयज आफ्टर मायनींग बॅन आनी मायनींग जेन्ना रेज्यूम जाला तेन्ना पयशे तितके ना मायनिंगान रेट्स हॅव कॉलेप्स्ड सो वॉट इज द नेक्स्ट इकॉनॉमी इज ट्युरिजम सस्टेन करपा खातीर आमकां डेवलपमेंट जाय सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट वीच वील हेल्प ट्युरिजम ग्रो सो फॉर दॅट अ लॉट ऑफ फंडींग इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड फॉर दॅट गोंया बरें चलचें गोंयकाराचें कितें तरी बरें जावचें म्हणून विजयान आमकां सपोर्ट
गोंयकारपणा खातीर सरकार केलें
ते आतां गोंयकारपण म्हण तूं गोंयकार म्हण तूं तो आपले हें करता ते म्हणजे दॅट इज इज गोवा फॉरवर्ड हें
एक तूं स्टेटमेंट परत केलो तो म्हणजे विजय म्हाजो फ्रेंड म्हणून
विजय आनी हांव आदीसून फ्रेंड आमी
अजूनय फ्रेंड
फ्रेंडशीप सदांच उरतली बट
आतां-
पॉलिटिक्सान he will have a lot of thinking about growing his party. I will think about growing our party. So that will always be there. There will be ups and downs, tussles will be always there. Along with Manohar Parrikar also. Now he has given support, he says not to BJP, he has given support to Manohar Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar is finally BJP. Manohar Parrikar will also want to see that BJP grows. He will also want to see that Goa forward grows.
आनी क्लॅश जाता
The clash जातलेच but for that those clashes in a coalition those clashes they will have to sit discuss and settle the clashes.
Again back to NGPD, it doesn't look like your friend's act because he's taking something away from you.
See, if something is going away from me and if it is for and तुका सांगला पळय तें for a smooth functioning of this government I am okay with it.
Okay, and the same question I'm asking you. 2 of you are friends. 2 is a company and 3 is a crowd. So Babush Monserrat enter जालो and 3 is a crowd जालो आणि problem सुरू जालो.
See, that we will have to wait and watch because it is too early to comment on this. आता अजूनय तो भितर सरोंक ना तेका बातमी चालू आहा सगळ्या न्यूजपेपरांचेर मिडिया everybody is showing.
It cannot be like you don't know. You pretend not to be knowing. That's all.
We'll wait and see, what is happening, what he is getting, whether he is really going to get, whether NGPD will be bifurcated or not, some area will be given to him or not. For me, it does not matter. If it is given, it is given.
Okay.
We have see, it is nothing is ours. तू सांग म्हाका एक टायमार 5 वर्सां दिगंबर कामत CM आसलो आयज तो ऑपोजिशनान आहा ही इज फायटींग टू गेट वन ऑफ हिज रोड डन फॉर द लास्ट 1.5 year. It is like that. When you are in power, you can do things, a lot of things easily. When you are in opposition, it becomes difficult. And when you are in opposition and especially at a tussle with the government or with the chief minister, it is difficult. So it is when it is your time, you have to deliver.
But do you think down the line Vijay will be bigger than Manohar Parrikar and Vijay will be bigger than any other leader of yours? And
time will say, and time will in times to come we will see who is bigger and who is smaller, and we should all feel that nobody is bigger, all people are bigger. जे लोक जे आहा इज गोंयचे हे लोक इतले व्हडले आहा they make us and they break us. आमी व्हडले पॉलिटिशियनांक हांवें पळयल्या हांवें कामूय केलां तेंच्या अंडर इतले वयर गेल्ले दॅट दे टच द स्काय एंड दे सेड दॅट देर इज नो वे वी आर गोइंग टू कम डावन.
Okay, there is one.
ते सकला पावले ते खातीर आमी वयर पावले.
Okay, and from you within your party also there were people who were high and they are no more anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. की फायनली एक मनीस व्हडलो जायना लोक तेका व्हडले करता. आयज जो तर म्हाका सेकंड टायम जिखयला त्या लोकांनी जिखयला आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांनी गोंयच्या लोकांनी जिखयला आनी हेंच्या आदाराचेरूच आमी आनीक वयर वचोंक शकता. मनीस एकटो वयर वचोंक शकना. जेन्ना तूं चिंता की आपूण वयर वयता एकटो दॅट मिन्स तूं रॉंग डायरेक्शनान आहा.
Do you feel good when people usually say खूप जण म्हणतात मायकल इज अ सीएम मटेरियल म्हणतात. डू यू फोरसी युअरसेल्फ टू बी सीएम समटाइम्स, मे नॉट बी
See,
नेक्स्ट बट नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट?
हांव कांयच म्हणना. लोकांक जाय हांव सीएम जाल्लो एक दीस जातलो एंड दे नो दॅट आय वील डिलिव्हर. आय कॅन वर्क.
You think you have a CM material in you?
No, I don't think like that. Is other people are thinking like that. I can work. I can work continuously. I can sit and work. I can stand and work. I can go to the place wherever there is work going on and give directions and work. Means I feel that Goa is a very small state and development जे गोंयान जावपाक जाय, सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट, एनवायरमेंट सांबाळून एका व्हडलें हें कांय नाका. नॅचरल ब्युटी इज फॉर वॉट ऑल द ट्युरिस्ट कम टू गोवा आनी ती सांबाळून बेजीक डेव्हलपमेंट करप. आमकां व्हडले वस्तू करपाची गरज ना. वी डोंट हॅव टू प्रॉमीस एनीबडी द स्काय. वी हॅव टू गीव देम बेजीक. आनी हें बेजीक दिवपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता चड व्हडली जाम मारपाची गरज ना आमकां.
PDA chairman talking all these things sounds good, but एक काँग्रेस लिडरान स्टेटमेंट केल्लो when Vijay refused to help them in Rajya Sabha elections is that Vijay is in this government along with Babush want to grab the land sharks करपाचो होता, तांचे मती खातीर करता, and suddenly we see this happening. So do you agree with that कि there is some game plan to grab the lands?
See, the day I see that something is going wrong seriously, if it goes wrong, but as far as I can see, nothing will go wrong. This government, where Manohar Parrikar is the chief minister, ethics and principles of politics cannot be compromised. And I also feel the same. The day you compromise and come under pressure, and still you say that okay जावं रे जाल्यार पॉलिटिकली तूंय काबार जाता आनी जी तुजी पार्टी जी आसता ती काबार जाता.
But nothing is being compromised. We see everything is being compromised.
No.
Right from formation of government itself is a big compromise.
See, government formation with 13 number तुका आतां सांगलें, with Goa Forward, MGP and independents is not called compromise. It's a coalition.
Adjustment.
No, it's a coalition.
Okay.
We had to form it. Now, compromise is what you said just now. की land sharks, land. आमी जो तर तितून compromise करून गेले जाल्यार government चलोवंक पावचे ना. Might as well let us sit in opposition and do constructive job of an opposition. That time will say, and I don't think that bad time will come. तो वायट टायम येवचो न्हू अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी गोंयच्या लोकांकूय दिसता. बरें कितें आहा पळय तितलें आमी करुया. जो तर तसलें कितें वायट जाता अशें दिसता जाल्यार आमी स्लोली सायडीक रावया.
But
and I will be the first person to stand at the side.
Bifurcation, do you foresee that as a move to grab the land or?
Bifurcationan जो तर फुडें आमी जो तर फोर्सी करता जाल्यार मनोहर पर्रीकर म्हाका दिसता is the wisest man to take a call on that, because he has experienced these situations for the last 17 years from the time he became the chief minister. Poila body. He has experienced all these things and he has got experience of all these things. And he has not, at that particular time, he has not allowed his principles and ethics to be compromised.
So now also he will not allow to be compromised?
He will not allow. I know him personally.
So
I have worked under him.
One question.
The day he allows, I will be the first person to move out from this position.
You consider him as your mentor?
Yes, of course. He has to leave it, in that way only. That was the rank what he got as a defense minister is because of that. His credibility, his principles, that cannot go down. That cannot be compromised.
Okay.
And if that gets compromised, then we will slowly walk at one side and stand that side.
ओके, एक बातमी आयिल्ली की इट सीम्स दॅट दे आर ट्रायिंग टू एडजस्ट यू इन मिनिस्ट्री बाय टेलिंग फ्रांसीस डिसोजा टू स्टेप डावन बिकॉज ऑफ हिज हेल्थ कंडिशन्स अँड induct you in the cabinet. Is it true?
Oh, I'm hearing it from you. But when time will come that I have to be a minister or anything above NGPDA, I will automatically become. People of Goa, if they feel that I should become something, they will do the movement to make me the minister or bigger than a minister. They will make movement. See, people of Goa are watching everyone. All the MLAs perform. 40 MLAs are there. Everybody has got a role to play in their constituency and for Goa. Now there are people who have got role to play for Goa as a minister. I have got role to play as a deputy speaker for Goa, as a NGPDA chairman. I am helping people from various places of Goa, whoever comes to me. Now as a minister, who is performing what? People are watching them. And they watched last time also. That's why 8 ministers went home.
So now this is
8 minister janna shenta, including the chief minister, is not easy to digest.
लोक जागृत असा.
People of Goa are very sensitive. People of Goa are very intelligent. You cannot fool them, not even once. आता एक म्हणणे आहा, you cannot fool all the people all the time. You can't fool them even once. The day you start fooling them once, it registers in their mind. And the minute it is registered, you are gone home for the coming election.
Back to Kalangut constituency, only 2 मिनिटां उरल्या म्हणून. Is Kalangut constituency BJP stronghold or it is Michael Lobo's stronghold?
That depends. I also don't know. Because हांव 2012 BJPचेर बसला तेन्ना म्हणटाले लोक जोसेफ सिक्वेरा खातीर जिखलो. 2017 जोसेफ सिक्वेरा म्हाजे ऑपोजीट आसतना हांव बसला BJPचेर, सो हांव परत जिखला. सो आय डोंट नो, आय कॅनॉट से एनीथिंग, बट आय स्ट्रॉंगली फील दॅट BJP is quite strong in Kalangut constituency.
Because of you?
I don't know, because of me or because of BJP I am strong. Let us put it in that way.
Do you foresee any by-elections, any mid-term elections right now, considering the very volatile situation that is going on in the current government?
See, there is no volatile situation going on in this present government. Government is quite stable. And if there is somebody who is trying to do this, he should think 10 times. दापावटेनी चिंतचें पडटलें हें कोत्तना. कित्याक this government is formed only for a reason to deliver for the people of Goa. नाजाल्यार फॉर्म जावंक पानासलो गव्हर्मेंट. आमचे कडेन जर तर नंबर नासले आनी ऑपोजीट वाटेन नंबर आसले जाल्यार तेणी ते सायडीन वचोंक जाय आसलें आनी गव्हर्मेंट करूंक जाय. जर तर आमी डिलिव्हरी दिवपाक हो गव्हर्मेंट केला, लोकां खातीर हो गव्हर्मेंट केला, जाल्यार let us continue it and give the delivery. Let all these works which are going on, let them happen.
So any
right
kind
time
of
delivery
instability should not happen.
Yeah. See, when the minute there is instability, people do not have confidence. The investors who want to invest in Goa, especially the businessmen, they backtrack. ते फाटी सोदता. फुडें पयशे घालूंक सोदताले ते टाक करून फाटी सोदता. सो आयज गोंयान गोंयकाराक जर तर गोंयान दवरपाक जाय जाल्यार जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज क्रिएट करचे पडटले. त्या खातीर गोंयकारा सगळे आमदार जे लोकांनी निवडून हाडल्या तेणी एक रावचे पडटले. आयज गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जालो, आमी सगळे एक रावत आनी बरी इंडस्ट्री गोंया हाडीत, बरे हॉटेल जे आमचे ट्युरिजम सेक्टरान जर तर आमी वाडयत इन गूड डायरेक्शन. इफ वी गो, you just go to other countries and see how they are developing their tourism. There are private players who are developing tourism. Forget government spending 1 rupee. Okay, government is not spending any money.
We'll actually come back on this aspect some other day. Time jata, but last vacha pahli, as far as NGPDA bifurcation, rumor or news or whatever is concerned, are you waiting and watching the situation?
Yes, of course I am waiting and watching the situation. If it is in the interest of the people, I am there for any change. But if it is in the interest of some individuals or somebody who is trying to take it for self gain, I will step down if time comes. to that level. I
Step
will not
down
want to
from-
be. I will not want to be part of something which is going to go in wrong direction.
Step down
And
as
I am
MLA.
no, not MLA. Why should I step down?
Step
as
down from NGBD.
म्हाका गरज ना. ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हाका पोजिशन हें दिलां कित्याक 5 वर्सां हांव ह्या ऑफिसान आसलो, हांवें लोकांची सर्वीस करून दिल्ली आहा. कोणेंय कंप्लेन करूंक ना आमचेर. आमी बरें काम केल्लें आनी आमी कंटिन्यू करता आनी ह्या फुडें आमी कंटिन्यू करतले. आनी आय एम कॉन्फिडंट दॅट जो आयज मिनिस्टर आहा टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर इज क्वायट केपेबल.
ओके, टायम जाल्लो आसा.
आणि CM under CM's direction he will do a good job. I am also there to do a good
ओके,
job.
देव बरें करूं हांगा आयल्या म्हणून. दिस इज गोवा एट 9 powered by the Neutral View. This is our Neutral View fortnightly which we publish after every 15 days. We'll give this to a guest, our copy of Neutral View. Thank you very much for coming on this show. You're watching Goa at 9 powered by Neutral View. Keep watching GCTV.